in today's handwriting lesson, we are going to be looking at the coat hanger family. So all the letters in the coat hanger family are based on a C shape, and these letters are an oval rather than circular. So first of all, we're going to start off with a little warm-up. So I would like you to start this warm-up in between the two solid lines, just here. And so you're going to start just in between them, and I want you to do the coat hanger shape backwards, just like that, like we've done in class. And I'd like you to do 4 of those, please. Next for our warm-up, we're going to do the same again, but we're going to bring it down to the line. So you've got that coat hanger shape, and then you're bringing it down to the line. And you can do 4 of those, please. So now we've done our warm-up, we're going to start off by forming the letters C or K. And as I've already said, the letters in the coat hanger family are an oval shape rather than circular. And like we've done in our warm-up, they always start with that coat hanger shape. And when we're starting this letter, we need to start it in between the two solid lines. And the first movement is to go into our coat hanger shape and then down to the bottom solid line, and then to go back diagonally upwards and across the right to make the oval shape. So we're going to start off with a C. So I'm going to start in between the two solid lines with the coat hanger shape. So if you can do 3 of those, please. And then you're going to start again with that coat hanger shape, and this time bring it down to the bottom solid line. So over, down to the bottom solid line, coat hanger shape, and down to the bottom solid line. 3 of those, please. And then finally, to form a C, I'm going to do my coat hanger shape again, bring it down to the bottom solid line, and then go back up diagonally to make that oval shape. And as you can see, there's still a gap there. I'm going to form my C. I'm going to do another one. And I would like you to do 3 of those, please. And then I'd like you to put a dot under your neatest one and repeat it. So the next letter we're going to form is an O or an O. So once again, because this letter's in the coat hanger family, I'm going to start off in between the two solid lines, and I'm going to start off with the coat hanger shape. I'd like to do that 3 times, please. And then once again, I'm going to do that coat hanger shape and bring it down to the bottom solid line. If you could do 3 of those, please. And then finally, we're going to make our O or O. So we're going to go diagonally upwards and across to the right to form our O. So I go all the way round and back up. So I'm starting off in between the two solid lines with that coat hanger shape, down to the bottom solid line, back up and round. And I'd like you to do 3 of those, please. And then we're going to make sure that we always use a joining line when we're doing an O. So this time we do the same again, coat hanger, all the way round. And then I'm going to make sure I've got my joining line in. Coat hanger, down to bottom side line, back up, and add my joining line back in. And I'd like to do 3 of those, please. Then put a dot under your best one, and do that one more time.